So you've heard about Ooma, right? The home phone service that's been making waves. But have you ever wondered, does Ooma use Wi-Fi? It's a question that pops up a lot, and for good reason. Wi-Fi is a cornerstone of our modern lives. So it's natural to wonder if it's a necessity for Ooma. Let's dive in and find out. Asterisk. Understanding Ooma. Before we get into the Wi-Fi question, let's quickly recap what Ooma is. Essentially, Ooma is a VoIP voice over Internet Protocol service. This means it uses the Internet to make and receive phone calls. So, right off the bat, there's a connection to the Internet, but does that mean it needs Wi-Fi? The Ooma base station. At the heart of the Ooma system is the Ooma base station. This little device is the brain of the operation. It connects to your Internet router and handles all the incoming and outgoing calls. But here's where things get interesting. The base station can connect to your router either through an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Wired versus wireless. So you have the option to connect your Ooma base station to your router using a wired Ethernet connection or a wireless Wi-Fi connection. Both methods work, but there are some key differences to consider. Wired connection. Pros. Generally more reliable and offers faster speeds. Cons. Can be less flexible, as you need to physically connect the base station to your router. Wireless connection. Pros. More flexible, as you can place the base station anywhere within your Wi-Fi network. Cons. Can be less reliable, especially if your Wi-Fi network is weak or congested. Factors to consider. When deciding whether to use a wired or wireless connection for your Ooma base station, there are a few factors to consider. Reliability. If you need a highly reliable phone service, a wired connection might be the better option. Flexibility. If you want to be able to move the base station around your home, a wireless connection is more convenient. Wi-Fi strength. If your Wi-Fi network is strong and reliable, a wireless connection should work fine. Additional considerations. Beyond the choice of wired or wireless, there are a few other things to keep in mind. Internet speed. Ooma recommends an internet speed of at least 1 megabit per second for optimal performance. Router quality. A good quality router can make a big difference in the reliability of your Ooma service. Interference. Wi-Fi interference from other devices can affect the performance of your Ooma service. So, to answer the original question, does Ooma use Wi-Fi? The answer is, it can. You have the option to connect your Ooma base station to your router either wired or wirelessly. The best choice for you will depend on your specific needs and circumstances. Whether you're looking for maximum reliability or ultimate flexibility, Ooma offers a solution that fits your lifestyle. With its affordable pricing and feature-rich platform, it's no wonder that Ooma has become a popular choice for home phone service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.